Dear children, stop helping your parents to carry responsibilities. I know this video is going to cause a lot of controversy, but if you listen deep to see what I'm trying to say, because I know it's difficult and I'm talking based on experience. Children, stop helping your parents to carry responsibility. Any responsibilities that your parents use his or her hand to it, don't help them carry it. Don't help your parents to pay school fees. Yes, if your parents cannot pay the school fees of your siblings, let them do whatever they want with them, because you will regret it and it will slow you down. Majority of the children that find it difficult to rise today is as a result of the responsibility they helping their parents to carry. Majority of the girls that enter prostitution today is as the result of the responsibility they helping their parents to carry. The economy is hard already. Nigeria has beaten us 1-0. Majority of these parents have 7-5 children. They will struggle and send one to school. They will now tell that one to now be training the rest. Now tell me how generational poverty wants to end. I've been there before. I've done it before. You understand? And I'm using this motive to tell the ones coming after me, don't help your parents. No be you send to carry responsibility. No be you send your parents make they born 5 children. No be you send your parents make they born 10. I know it's difficult. This thing I'm saying is difficult because parents will gaslight you, they will manipulate you, but do not help them to carry responsibility. Have you ever seen a rich man telling his children to carry responsibility for him? Some are not even rich, some are even poor, but they made sure that they carry their responsibility. They give birth to a number of kids they can give birth to. They create a responsibility they can actually cater for. And these are parents that will also manipulate, that will have daughters, and they'll be manipulating our boyfriend to come and train her for them. And this is why so many young kids today are poor. I know our parents have done their own and we cannot wind the hands of time back, but I'm making this video. This video will stand the test of time till generations to come, as far as there's YouTube and anywhere this video is. For the next generation, the young kids that in their 10 years, 15 years, 20 years that will be seeing this video, I am saying it to you, don't help your parents to carry responsibility. The responsibility that they use their hand, and especially the ones from poor homes that are still struggling, because you realize that at the end of the day, money that you are even supposed to use to take care of yourself, probably take a good course, do other things to benefit your life, you don't use them train the remaining like 6 or 7 children who they don't burn down, wey be say no be you born them. That is why you see majority of firstborn struggling, firstborn from poor homes struggling. When you don't finish school, when he's supposed to go and take courses, he's training second-born, training third-born, training fourth-born, training fifth-born, training sixth-born. When it's time for him to marry, he does not have anything. He's fighting his wife today, fighting his wife tomorrow. The wife is angry, wife is sleeping around because he cannot provide. Majority of the girls too that are firstborn too, they will have to, when the salary that the money they are seeing is not enough, but because she wants to help her father to pay the school fees of her father and mother, to pay the school fees of a child that he did not tell them to give birth to, she will have to start sleeping around. I've seen all these things. Majority of the girls that are sleeping around today, that are into prostitution today, that sleep for men because of money today, is because of the result of the responsibility that their parents put on their head that is not their own. And that is why I'm saying to making this video today as an eye-opener for someone that will be seeing this video today. Dear children, don't help your parents to carry responsibility as far as they still have hands and legs to work. Yeah, simple like that. As far as they have legs and hands to work, don't help your parents to carry their responsibility. They use their hand to create because it's might. or will slow you down. And this video again is for the new school parents too that are giving birth now. Give birth to the number of children you can cater for. Majority of you now, like my friends, I have some of my friends now that they are poor, they are giving birth to 4 and 5 children. Now the economy is getting worse day by day. When the children get old to a particular age now, they will now say, me, I cannot kill myself. I cannot kill myself. When some of them, the same pattern that happened in our own parents' time, after secondary school like this, I cannot kill myself. Children that are supposed to give the best, to be able to compete with the children of the rich men, you start putting responsibility that they're not supposed to carry on their head. You do not have money to send them for MSc. You do not have money to send them to university when they are supposed to even use their own money to better their life, to add value to their life. They are using the money to help you raise children that they did not know when you give birth to. This content is difficult. This decision is difficult. I was there before. I know how difficult it is. That's why I'm using myself as an example. Don't help your children parents to carry responsibility so that you will not run mad. I've seen I've had female friends in the past that they have to start sleeping with a man for money because they want to help their parents to carry responsibility that they are not there when their parents started it. Money that they are supposed to use to take care of themselves, the salary they are collecting is not enough. They will not have a choice than to sleep with anyone that come around. We have boys that have to dip their hands into fraud. We have boys that have to go and steal because what? They want to help their parents to carry the responsibilities that they did not send their parents to create. You new school parents need to do better. Majority of you that are giving birth to number of children now that you cannot cater for, planning the future to be gaslighting and manipulating your children to come and be helping you take care of the responsibility that are supposed to take. Look at the boys and girls that grow fast. They are the ones that their parents did not put their responsibility on. That is why they can excel fast. That is why they can move fast. But look at the children of the poor that the parents have used bukata responsibility to kill. They hardly grow fast, live a miserable life. That is why I'm making this video as an eye opener. I know it's difficult. It's difficult. You understand? It's difficult. But do not help your parents to carry responsibility that they use their hand to create. Everybody should be able to cater for their responsibilities, because at the end of the day, most of these siblings too that you do prostitution for to pay their school fees, you rob for to pay their school fees. At the end of the day, some or most of them will betray you. They'll betray you. When you run into a problem, they will not be the one. They might not even step a niche. I know of a sister that use her money to train all her children to university. She's in her 50s now. She doesn't even have a child. She doesn't have a husband. Now 5k, 10k. People where she struggle to send go school without giving birth to her own children. 5k, 10k. Now they send give them now. For people, she struggled. Slept with different men to send them to school. She's old now. No man can carry her again. But the responsibility is still there. Parents that refuse to train their children very, very well. You born plenty children when they don't send you. You cannot even raise them very, very well. You are still putting responsibility that is not their own on them. You new school parents need to listen and talk to yourself and learn. Drop your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my page. Don't forget to follow me on my all of my social media platforms. Thank you very much. Peace out.